Wix does not have a built-in login page like WordPress, but you can create a members area with a login or sign-up page and member-only content. This is the official and easiest way in. Step-by-step guide. Enable members area, log into your Wix dashboard. Go to your site. Click Edit Site. In the left menu, click Members or search Members Area. Toggle Members Area on. Choose members can sign up and log in. Customize login and sign up pages. After enabling, Wix automatically creates login page, sign up page, my account page. Click Edit, login and sign up pages, or go to Pages and Menu, Members section. Customize, change background, logo, button colors, text, login, join now. Add fields, email, password, name, phone, custom questions. Enable social login, Google, Facebook, if desired. Add login button to your site. In the editor, click plus, add button or menu in pages, add a button or link. Link it to members, login, place it in header, footer, or any page, most common, top right corner. Text, login, member login, my account. Create member-only pages, optional. Add new page. In page settings, permissions, set. Only members can access this page. Choose all members, specific plans, or logged-in users only. Test and publish preview mode. Click login button. Test, sign up, login flow. Publish your site.